Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video at Rema Explains, I'm going to be teaching you how you can control who adds you to the WhatsApp group. Before we proceed, I would like to share a little story with you. So basically this period, this is February, there have been a lot of events, birthdays, weddings, and a lot of things that involves contribution. So basically I've been very busy and I see a lot of people adding me to groups for contributions, even the one that is not related to me. I see them adding me up in a lot of groups that all they just want is to contribute. And at the end of the day, you end up contributing, because if you don't contribute, you're going to look like a bad person. And sometimes I also just waive it, you understand? So basically I have to go and look for a way I can avoid this. So you can now control who adds you to any group in WhatsApp. Maybe school groups or useless groups that you don't just know what they are doing there. You just see your friends adding you up in all these groups. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can avoid that. So the first step you need to take, you just need to go to your WhatsApp. And your WhatsApp, you're going to see these three dots on the right corner of your screen. You just go ahead and click on it. So once you click on it, you're going to see new group, new broadcast, linked devices, third, read all, and settings. So you're going to click on settings, and when you click on settings, you're going to see accounts, privacy, avatar, lists, chats, notification, storage and data, accessibility, app language, help and feedback, and then you're going to see an option for invite a friend too. So you're going to just go ahead and look for where you're going to see privacy, and you're going to click on it. So once you click on it, you scroll down a bit to where you're seeing my groups. Now you can go ahead and click on your my groups, and this is where you can see who can add you to groups. You can see the option for everyone, you can see the option for my contacts, and you can see the option for my contacts except. So just in case you want to make it a general stuff for everybody, no one can add you to a group without sending you an invite, you're just going to go ahead and click on my contacts except, and then you can see these three lines on the top right corner of my screen. You're going to click on it, and it is going to select all, and you click on this good option, updating. Now you see it, groups 121 contacts excluded. This means that no one can add you to a group without sending you an invite. So this, you can have peace of mind. All right, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, give it a like, and share to your friends. Thank you.